Bauxite, also known as bauxite or bauxite, is mainly composed of alumina, containing impurities of hydrated alumina, is a kind of earth-like mineral. Bauxite ball press reliable quality, can be used in one machine, strong pressure, suitable for large, medium and small enterprises, with a certain scale of production line use, suitable for industrial gas, boiler type, cold pressure type focus, etc. Bauxite ball press, after years of industrial use and improvement, compared with other similar products, bauxite ball pressing machine has the obvious advantages of high ball rate, small power consumption, compact structure, and easy maintenance and debugging. Can be used to press a variety of bauxite, light-fired bauxite, steel slag, resistant materials, and other materials equipment. All powder to burn the material need bauxite ball press.